Hey fam, Angel is back from market as usual. Hey fam, I want to unbox what Angel got now. Angel has been the one helping me to buy something from our African market because he usually passes there. So most of the time he buys it, you know. So yeah, he's back and let me do the unboxing. I'm smiling because he got me something. This is a cow leg. This one is shaki, and this one is turkey. And yay, he got malts. Yes, he got 4 bottles, and he got 3 bitter leaf. I'll be making bitter leaf soup because it's been a while I made bitter leaf soup. And then he got this is the cocoyam flour for bitter leaf soup, or even for thickener, you know, soup thickener. I got the shape and it smells so fresh. And he got plantain. I think that is basically all the thing he got. This plantain, I'm going to roast it now immediately. Adibia, I have fresh tomato. I would have boiled it and just cook it. My fresh tomato is finished. I should just use that one piece there and make the sauce. So that is it, fam. That is what Angel got to. Fam, I will see you guys later. Okay? It's not hot.
Okay.
It's yummy. Come on, pop.
Very
sweet.
You like it? Onatata.
It's very sweet.
And let's eat. Shakara. What did you buy for me? Karahukuru candy. Oh, why no more from a week one.
This. Only your name.
No, only your name. Daddy ball lollipop.
You never eat, so. Put it.
Say thank you. What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, yeah, na hata. See na kwa toto. Oma. Do you like it?
Yes.
How do you? As if ni yata. I'm not done for fruit. Farm. Do you know the name of this fruit? Our neighbors just gave it to Oma. Though this is not the first time. Oh. This is how it is. What they call that and no. You go. I have help go to my inside. Come and go see. This is how the inside is.
It's no type of fruit we're talking about.
I'm telling you, there is no kind of fruit that these
Wey they
people,
no go
Turkish
eat.
people, no get. Me, I don't like it, but they eat it. There is a fruit opposite us that is producing it,
In our working place, they have it too.
but I don't like
They
it.
rush them.
Enokwa rush. In a time. I don't like it. Alright, fam. Let me kuku start up this vlog here. I'll be continue this vlog here. So welcome back to another interesting video. Today is Sunday. We didn't go to church today. We didn't go to church today. So I want to cook bitterleaf soup. When did I even start this vlog? I think on Thursday I started this vlog. And yesterday was Saturday. I was not able to vlog properly. We went out to shop for the week, but to be honest, I was not able to vlog. I don't have strength. So I think I just showed you guys a little clip and that was it. I couldn't even continue anymore. So now I want to cook. Hobby and Oma, they went out and they bought few things. They are back already. And I want to cook sharply bitterleaf soup so that we'll eat. So welcome back. Please like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, Makanega like. Yeah, where I go, please. This fruit that I show you guys. Sometimes I don't want to call you guys. I don't want to call as in address people like guys. I'm looking for a better way to like replace guys. Please, fam. I think this will be better, fam. So please, fam, if you know the name of that fruit, that green fruit I showed you guys, let me know under the comment section. They always give it to us, but me, I don't like it. So that is it, fam. I have the meat here. Yesterday I was able to prep all the stuff that we used to cook. I washed the meat, I washed the bitterleaf, so the soup will not even waste time. You see, prepping is good. These are the meat. I washed them yesterday and then I put it inside the freezer, but it's blocked. I put water so that it will dissolve. I've already washed it and it's sparkling clean, just for it to dissolve. And then I have my bitterleaf here already washed, and this is my mackerel fish I'm using to cook. And then my small azobo. So let's continue.
Say thank you.
I say thank you. Thank you, Mr. Fabi. Are you having no nunca?
Say Mr. Baby, police you.
This is our neighbor. Eh? They want to finish us now.
Corn too.
I know it's your corn and you like corn. Uncle bought you corn. Let me put it in plate for you. Where is your corn? When it cool down, you eat. Okay?
Yes.
It's our neighbor. One old man downstairs bought corn for Oma. You normally give her something. All these our neighbors. Sometimes they do give her something.
If you get them, you know fit to hide them. Better money don't enter. Rap poverty, me enjoy. Rap village girl, Joa baby. Money they shine, fit to hide them. Better money don't enter. Rap poverty, maybe enjoy. Rap village girl, Joa baby. One day, in Makwanega, Maka 1,000 good, billion is better. The bigger the money, the better. The bigger the money, the better. The bigger the ego, the better. The bigger the money, the better. The bigger the mama, the better. The bigger the money, the better. The finer the baby, the better. The bigger the money, the better. Hey, the bigger the money, the better. The bigger the money, the better. The bigger the motor, the better. The bigger the money, the better. The bigger the house, the better. The bigger the money, the better. 1,000 is better than 100 million is better than 1,000 billion is better than million. So the bigger the money, the better. 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 Money, if I gonna make, Oje gonna Ubana chowa. There is a problem, we say you no get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. Up if I gonna pay, it is a money something. Money get power, it is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white to black. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Congo. It is a money something. Ojego ne punuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white to black. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Congo. It is a money something. Ojego ne punuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Up if I go nebe. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white to black. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Congo. It is a money something. Ojego ne punuwa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something.
Let me watch ball. Follow me. Can you follow me?
Okay, what?
Food is ready. Mama, this is my bitterleaf soup. Hell, looking so good. Abi, what you meme? Come and eat to farm. Mama cannot wait. So farm, we are not eating. Oh my goodness, we devoured this food. Like seriously, this food tasted so good. So I just want to end this video here. If you watched up until this moment, thank you so much for watching. I truly and I really appreciate. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you and bye.
Bye.
Bye. Delicious. Abby, you enjoy your food? No,
Yes, mommy.
Hey, what are you doing?
Look.
What is that? What are you?
It's Bible story.
You're learning Bible story. Okay.